Production begins with aerospace-grade titanium, the foundation of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. Every material batch is digitally verified before manufacturing starts. Large titanium bars are cut into precisely measured case blanks. Computer-controlled equipment ensures exact dimensions. 5-axis CNC machines carve the iconic Ultra 3 watch case. Micron-level precision is maintained throughout machining. Internal chambers are machined for electronics and battery integration. Each cavity must meet exact engineering tolerances. Specialized CNC tools create ports for controls and audio systems. Every opening is positioned with sub-millimeter accuracy. Diamond grinding removes machining marks from the titanium surface. The case begins to achieve its premium finish. Multi-stage polishing enhances the titanium case appearance. Every edge receives consistent finishing.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic contaminants. A perfectly clean surface is essential before plating.
Surface activation prepares titanium for metal bonding. This stage improves plating adhesion.
A conductive underlayer is applied before gold plating. This creates a stable bonding surface.
Pure 24-karat gold is electroplated onto each case. The coating develops atom by atom. Controlled current builds a uniform luxury-grade gold finish. Every surface receives equal coverage.
Excess plating chemicals are removed through precision rinsing. The gold finish remains untouched.
The plated case is carefully dried and stabilized. The premium gold finish is now fully visible. Every gold-plated case undergoes detailed visual inspection. Only flawless surfaces move to assembly. The assembly phase begins with preparation of internal electronics. Each component is organized for automated installation. The main logic board is carefully positioned inside the watch case. Automated systems ensure perfect alignment. Advanced health monitoring sensors are added to the watch. These components power fitness and wellness tracking. The speaker system is integrated for clear audio performance. Water-resistant seals are installed simultaneously.
Multiple microphones are installed for communication and noise reduction. Each unit is tested immediately after placement. The power system is prepared for installation. Each battery undergoes quality verification. The battery is installed with precise connector alignment. This step powers the completed smartwatch. Machine vision systems inspect every internal connection. Potential defects are identified instantly.
The digital crown is fitted into its precision bearing system. Smooth rotation is critical for user interaction.
The action button is installed and calibrated. Every press must meet exact specifications.
The sapphire crystal display is prepared for assembly. This premium material offers exceptional durability.
A specialized adhesive creates a waterproof seal. Accuracy is essential at this stage.
The sapphire display is precisely bonded to the watch case. Automated alignment prevents assembly errors. Controlled pressure ensures complete display bonding. The waterproof seal is fully formed. The watch powers on for its first functional test. All major systems are verified before final inspection. Every watch undergoes rigorous waterproof testing. Pressure chambers simulate demanding real-world conditions. The waterproof seals are tested under elevated pressure. Any leakage is immediately detected. Submersion testing confirms waterproof performance. All functions remain active during inspection. After underwater testing, the watches are carefully dried. Moisture-free components are essential for reliability. Advanced sensors are calibrated to factory standards. Precision measurements ensure accurate tracking. Heart rate monitoring systems undergo detailed calibration. Each sensor must meet strict accuracy requirements. Motion sensors are tested through controlled movement simulations. Activity tracking accuracy is carefully verified.
Wireless communication systems undergo performance evaluation. GPS and connectivity functions are verified.
Installed software is verified through automated diagnostics. Every system function is tested digitally. Battery performance is carefully evaluated. Power efficiency must meet production standards. Display quality is measured for brightness and color accuracy. Every screen must deliver a premium viewing experience.
Stress testing evaluates durability under demanding conditions. The watch must perform reliably in extreme environments. Each watch receives a final cosmetic inspection. The luxurious gold finish must be completely flawless.
After passing every test, the watch receives final certification. Production now moves toward packaging and presentation. With certification complete, the watch enters the luxury packaging phase. Every unit is handled with exceptional care. Every visible surface receives a final precision cleaning. The mirror-like gold finish is perfected. Protective films shield the watch during transport. Precision placement preserves the premium finish. Premium watch bands are prepared for final presentation. Every accessory must match the quality of the watch. Accessories are carefully arranged into complete presentation kits. Every item is checked before packaging. Premium packaging boxes are constructed for luxury presentation. Structural precision ensures a premium unboxing experience. Accessories are added to complete the package. The presentation set is now fully assembled. The presentation box is sealed and secured. Packaging integrity is verified before shipment. Each watch receives a unique tracking identification. Digital records ensure complete traceability. A final packaging inspection confirms shipment readiness. Only perfect units proceed forward.
Luxury packages are transferred into protective shipping cartons. Additional protection ensures safe transportation.
Completed shipments are organized inside the distribution warehouse. Inventory systems track every pallet. The finished watches are loaded for global distribution. Every shipment is carefully managed and monitored. From raw titanium to a luxurious 24-karat gold masterpiece, the 24K gold-plated Apple Watch Ultra 3 is now ready for customers worldwide.